Hey guys, I got some R33 Skyline trim pieces here. I've already tested on them. I think they look better. You can see how, say, faded they are. Look at that. They look all one colour. That one I washed, that one I didn't wash. So, I reckon that one looks better. Yeah, get this little lick of water, and then hit it with the heat gun. Time lapse. See how much more glossy it looks compared to them. Oh yeah, that looks way better. So that's more black, and that's more grey. Mad. Like, turn flash on. Like, get a proper look. Then, look at one of these. Like, you can definitely see the difference. Also, that's a different piece, as you can see. That one's got. That one's got. Oh, that's because they're two different sides. That's passenger side, driver side. But yeah. Before, after.